Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I'm making macaroni salad. I've been making it for years this way. It always turns out absolutely perfect. It's a great side dish and very easy to make. And if you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. Okay, what you need is a pound of elbow macaroni, or whatever shape you want. I bought it in the 5-pound bag because it's so much cheaper, and I'll be cooking about 4 cups. And then you need mayo. You know me, I like Miracle Whip. Celery, small onion, paprika, celery seed, garlic powder, onion powder, and parsley flakes. Okay, I'm going to get the macaroni cooking, and I'm going to chop up the celery and the onions very small. I like them minced a lot better than chopped. You're also going to need some hard-boiled eggs. I'm going to be cooking about a half dozen. Okay, I've got the macaroni cooked and rinsed and drained, and I let it cool down. It's not cold, but it's cool to the touch. And I've got my eggs, and I'm just going to chop these up in here into bite-sized pieces. And I put all 6 of the eggs in there except 1 yolk. And I do that mainly to give to my little kitty. And there's the onions. And I'm not going to use the full onion. I think it'll be overkill. So that's about half an onion. And there's the minced celery. And I'll be using about half of that. And I'm going to mix this up. And then I'm going to start putting a little spice in there and finish off with the mayo. There's parsley. You know me, guys, I do not measure. I'm sorry. I just do it by eye. And a little bit of celery seed. Little paprika. And this mainly just adds color. And a little garlic powder. Onion powder, you don't need much since you already have a chopped up onion in there. And then Miracle Whip. I prefer Miracle Whip mainly because it has all of the tangy flavor to it. My sister likes Hellmann's, and that's how she makes hers. So whatever you have on hand, you're just going to put enough mayonnaise in there to moisten it. And then after it starts to absorb into the macaroni, then you can add more. And I try not to put too much in it first, because it's sure a lot easier to add more than to try and take it out. Okay, I got this all mixed up. Make sure when you're mixing this that you pull everything from the bottom up, because a lot of times there's no mayonnaise down there. So I'm going to put this in the fridge. I'm going to cover it with some plastic wrap, and then I'm going to put this in the fridge for about half an hour so that all the flavors gel. And then we'll see if it needs more mayonnaise. Okay, it's been sitting for about half an hour, and it's nice and cold, and there's plenty of Miracle Whip in there, so I don't have to add any more. And of course, I'm going to put a little in a bowl. And when serving this, if you're just going to put this out on the table for everyone, put a little paprika on the top. And it gives it a much nicer look. Oh yeah, that is good. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.